Is your HyperX Alloy Elite 2 keyboard not being detected? This is a common issue that many users experience, especially after Windows updates or when using USB-C hubs and adapters. Detection problems stem from three primary causes. First, USB communication problems where the keyboard isn't getting proper power or data transmission. Second, driver conflicts between Windows generic drivers and HyperX-specific software can prevent proper recognition. Third, hardware issues like faulty USB cables or damaged ports are common failure points that prevent detection. The keyboard requires a minimum of 500 milliamps of power to function properly. Insufficient power from USB ports is a common cause of detection failures. Windows USB Selective Suspend feature can interfere with keyboard detection by putting the device to sleep. This setting should be disabled for reliable operation. For hardware troubleshooting, start by testing different USB ports on your computer. USB cables are a common failure point, so try alternative USB-A to USB-C cables. USB 2.0 ports often provide more reliable detection than newer USB 3.0 ports. Avoid USB-C hubs and adapters when possible, as they introduce additional compatibility issues. Finally, test your keyboard on another computer to determine if the issue is specific to your system or if it's a hardware problem with the keyboard itself. Understanding these detection issues helps you troubleshoot effectively. USB 2.0 ports have the highest success rate at 95%, while USB-C adapters have the lowest at 68%. This knowledge guides your troubleshooting approach. The first phase of troubleshooting focuses on software and driver issues, which resolve 85% of detection problems. Start by completely removing all HyperX-related software from your system. This includes Ngenuity software and any associated drivers that may be causing conflicts. Next, clear the driver cache using Device Manager. This removes corrupted driver information that prevents proper device recognition. Install the latest Ngenuity software, version 1.15.0 or newer. This ensures compatibility with current Windows updates and security features. Update your USB controller drivers through Device Manager. Outdated USB drivers are a common cause of detection failures, especially after Windows updates. In Power Management settings, disable USB Selective Suspend. This Windows feature can interfere with keyboard detection by putting USB ports to sleep. If software solutions don't work, check for hardware issues. Physical problems account for 25% of detection failures. Hardware troubleshooting focuses on physical connections and cable integrity. Start by testing different USB ports, preferably native USB 2.0 ports. USB cables are a common failure point. Replace cables every 12 to 18 months, especially if you see signs of wear or corrosion like this example. For persistent issues that resist standard troubleshooting, advanced registry modifications can resolve deep-seated USB enumeration problems. Advanced registry solutions target the Windows USB device history and controller enumeration settings. These modifications clear corrupted USB device records. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. Follow these maintenance practices to avoid future detection issues. Keep your Ngenuity software updated to maintain compatibility with Windows updates. Rotate USB ports to prevent overuse of single ports. Maintain a stable power supply and avoid high humidity environments that cause port oxidation. These simple practices prevent most detection issues. Following this systematic approach resolves 85% of HyperX Alloy Elite 2 detection issues. Start with software solutions, check hardware connections, and maintain good practices to prevent future problems.